Hi, I'm Carl Bauer, Assistant Professor of Horticulture here at Penn College, and I want to talk to you a little bit about our landscape and plant production degree. We recently revised our degree to take the best of both the landscape emphasis and the plant production emphasis and make it into something that appeals to both the landscape-minded student or the plant production-minded student. We're about 20 minutes from the main campus. Main campus, you're going to take your math and your English and your general elective classes, but all your horticulture classes are going to be on this campus. Here at the Earth Science Center, we're blessed with about a 5-acre arboretum that surrounds the campus. The arboretum is a collection of trees and shrubs that we study. We also have a woodland, and so we'll go in the woodland for plant ID classes. We'll go in there for equipment safety and maybe take some trees down. We have over 400 acres here. We're blessed with several different types of greenhouses where the students can learn how to grow and maintain those plants, or learn how to design with those plants. And I think that's kind of our hallmark. That's why students come here, because they want to learn how to grow, how to maintain, how to design, and we can do all that. If you're looking for something that's going to give you the hands-on application of the art and the science of horticulture, that's what we do. We're known for teaching you not only how, but why. There's a core of horticulture classes. So there's botany, there's soils and fertilizers, there's insects and diseases. So whether you're a landscape-minded student or a production-minded student, you're going to take those classes. The production students, there's 4 in-depth production classes or propagation and production classes. So some of the landscape students, they also take some of those as well, because we really do feel it's important that even the landscape student understand where these plants come from. The landscape student, it's the design, it's the build, it's the maintenance. Those are the 3 kind of hallmarks of the landscape side of things. One of the new things that we just started to do here on campus is to grow industrial hemp. So that's one of our advanced production classes, is a hemp and hydro, which is a combination of hemp and some of the hydroponics that we currently do. We do have a lot of students interested in that field. Another element of our program is the internship. And so generally between the 1st and 2nd year, there's an internship. It's a paid internship. It's a 2-credit class. You do get a grade for that, but we also want the student to be paid by the employer as well. And that's a great way, since we implemented that, seeing the students come back after having that real world experience in the summer, it makes a world of difference. Of course, I've talked about the academic side of things, but college isn't just about academics. It's about the social aspect and getting involved in clubs like the horticulture club. That's so important to make those connections outside of class. We generally take field trips every year. We generally go to competitions every year. Our accrediting body, the National Association of Landscape Professionals, they sponsor a national collegiate landscape competition that moves around the country every year. And gosh, I think we've taken students all over the country. The faculty, myself, and my colleagues, we've all done this in the industry. We still do this in the industry. When we're not here, we are designing, we are building, we are maintaining and growing things. We're giving you that perspective of our experience in the past and our experience currently. The fact that we're still in the industry, I think that brings a lot to the class and to the lab and to the program. That we're trying to show the students that, hey, you can do all these things and it can be fun, and it's a very sustainable career, whether it's in a production facility and growing all kinds of neat plants or doing design work. So the careers that the students get once they leave here is really only limited by their imagination. I think when prospective students come here and see what we do, one thing I hear from so many of them is, wow, that's not what I thought college was like. I expected to just be in the classroom all the time. And of course there is some of that, but there's so much more. When we're outside working in the arboretum, if we're in the greenhouse, it doesn't seem like work. Well, that concludes our tour. Thank you so much for watching. We'd love to see you here, when the world gets back to normal and everybody can travel everywhere. We'd love to have you here, show you exactly what we do in real life. Until then, thank you and hope to see you soon.